Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Beegreen Laundry Bag is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly laundry solutions available today, designed to simplify your washing routine while minimizing your environmental impact, making it an essential item for any modern household seeking both convenience and sustainability in their daily chores. Number 5. HOMEST XL Wash Me Travel Laundry Bag. Tired of laundry bags that tear easily? Ours features extra tough double-stitched seams and thick nylon to prevent tears from spreading. Plus, plastic tips on the drawstring keep it from unraveling. Each bag is generously sized at 28 by 40 inches, capable of holding 3 to 4 loads of laundry. This makes it perfect for college dorms or family trips. Use it as a liner to keep your laundry hamper cleaner and fresher. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and sights of dirty clothes. The easy-to-use locking drawstring closure prevents items from spilling out. Simply tie a knot to keep everything secured during transport. Ideal for summer camp, it easily holds a week's worth of clothes. It's also great for storing bedding, towels, off-season clothing, toys, and blankets. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage. Take it anywhere your laundry needs arise. What we like? This bag is designed with ripstop nylon and double-stitched seams to prevent tears and unraveling. Its ultra-large capacity can hold 3 to 4 loads of laundry, making it perfect for college dorms or family use. If you need a durable and spacious solution to keep your laundry contained and your hamper fresh, this is the one for you. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to prevent lint from escaping, but breathable enough to allow water and soap to pass through. The drawstring closure is secure and keeps the bag from opening during the wash cycle. The reinforced stitching at the seams adds durability and ensures the bag will last for many washes. Number 4. Beegreen Laundry Bag Backpack. This laundry backpack is significantly larger than standard sizes, capable of holding multiple loads of laundry. It's constructed from lightweight yet durable ripstop polyester, reinforced with webbing and stitching for safe, heavy loading. Enjoy hands-free convenience with adjustable padded shoulder straps, perfect for navigating stairs. An additional front zipper pocket offers space for detergent, and a top handle allows for easy hanging. A buckle strap secures the opening. This is a great choice for camp or travel, easily holding a week's worth of clothes. It can also function as a duffel bag for college essentials, storing bedding, toys, or sports gear, and folds flat for storage. Forget hand washing, this large laundry bag is machine washable, saving you time and promoting reuse. For best results, use mild detergent and hang it to dry. With its round bottom, this laundry hamper stands upright, making it easy to collect dirty clothes and keep your space tidy. It's ideal for dorms, apartments, and homes, and can be hung on a door or wall. What we like? This backpack-style laundry bag features adjustable, padded shoulder straps for comfortable, hands-free carrying. It also includes a convenient front zipper pocket for detergent and is machine washable for easy care. If you're a student or traveler who prioritizes convenience and ease of transport, this bag is an excellent choice. What people say. The mesh material is durable and allows for good water circulation, ensuring clothes get thoroughly cleaned. The drawstring closure is secure and prevents items from falling out during the wash cycle. The bag is spacious enough to hold a good amount of laundry, making it convenient for single loads or travel. Number 3. Handy Laundry Extra Large Laundry Bag. This laundry bag is built with strong materials and heavy-duty stitching. It's designed to handle significant weight and resist wear and tear over time. Measuring at 30 by 40 inches, it's capacious enough to hold large volumes of laundry, including bulky items. It's an ideal companion for laundry trips, storage, or travel. It features an adjustable shoulder strap for easy transport. This strap allows for hands-free carrying, adding comfort and convenience to its use. This versatile bag can serve various storage needs, from laundry and linens to camping gear. Its simple design and robust build make it incredibly useful. Equipped with a drawstring locking closure for secure storage and an extra grommet for hanging, it's thoughtfully designed for ease of use. What we like? This laundry bag boasts a spacious design, measuring 30 x 40, perfect for large loads or bulky items. It includes an adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable, hands-free carrying and a drawstring locking closure for secure storage. If you're looking for a versatile and robust bag for laundry, travel, or camping that offers both capacity and portability, consider this option. What people say. The bag is made of durable mesh material, which allows for good airflow and prevents mildew. It features a sturdy drawstring closure that keeps the laundry securely inside. The large capacity is perfect for holding a full load of laundry, making it convenient for travel or dorm use. Number 2. JHX Upgraded Travel Laundry Bags. Introducing the upgraded travel laundry bags, designed for ultimate convenience on the go. These bags are perfect for keeping your dirty clothes separate and organized during any trip. With newly added handles and hooks, carrying your laundry has never been easier. Freely hang it on your backpack or place it in your suitcase without any hassle. Despite its compact folded size, it offers a larger capacity to hold more clothes than previous versions. It's the ideal companion for travel, camping, fitness, and students. Crafted from high-density 210D nylon, this bag is incredibly durable, lightweight, and machine washable. It can hold up to 22 pounds and features a secure drawstring closure. Keep your belongings neatly separated with the versatile design. The outer zipper pocket is perfect for small essentials like keys or detergent, ensuring easy organization. This laundry bag makes a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who travels. Give the gift of convenience and organization to your loved ones. What we like. This laundry bag set comes with added handles and an aluminum carabiner for easy carrying and hanging. It offers an upgraded capacity to hold more laundry and features a small outer zipper pocket for essentials like detergent or keys. If you value portability, organization, and convenience for travel, camping, or fitness, these bags are a great pick. What people say. The Beegreen Laundry Bag is made of durable mesh material that allows for good airflow, preventing mildew and odors. It features a sturdy drawstring closure that keeps the laundry securely inside and a convenient shoulder strap for easy carrying. The large capacity of the bag can hold multiple loads of laundry, making it ideal for travel or dorm use. Number 1. OTraki Medium Laundry Bag 2-Pack. This medium-sized bag offers ample space, capable of holding up to 2 loads of standard laundry or a maximum of 25 pounds. It's also perfect for lining your hamper, fitting those up to 14.5 inches in diameter. Crafted from high-density polyester taffeta, this bag is designed for durability. It's machine washable, wear-resistant, and tear-resistant, with premium double stitching ensuring it won't easily fall apart. Featuring a convenient drawstring cinch top with a spring lock, it ensures your belongings stay securely inside. This is especially useful when transporting laundry, preventing items from getting lost along the way. Keep your laundry hamper fresh and clean by using this as a liner. You can easily remove the bag with your dirty clothes, avoiding direct contact with the hamper itself. This heavy-duty bag makes organizing dirty clothes a breeze, whether heading to the laundromat or packing for a trip. Its foldable design also makes it easy to store and carry. Made from high-density polyester taffeta, this bag is built to withstand regular use. It's machine washable and tear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This offer includes 2 medium-sized laundry bags made from durable, tear-resistant polyester taffeta with premium double stitching. Each bag features a drawstring cinch top with a spring lock to prevent spills, making it ideal for transporting laundry securely. If you need a reliable and convenient solution for carrying dirty clothes to the laundromat or separating them during travel, this 2-pack is a practical choice. What people say. The Beegreen Laundry Bag is made of durable mesh material, which allows for good airflow and prevents mildew. It features a sturdy drawstring closure that keeps the laundry securely inside the bag during transport. The bag is large enough to hold a full load of laundry, making it convenient for travel or dorm use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.